Hello again everybody, today on to the Euro locks, and we have an Asec today. I picked up a bundle of these, I think 10 of them, in a box of locks. I've given a few away and I've kept a load to try and pick myself. So if we actually look, you can see the warding here. And get it to focus a bit better. There we go. So the pins actually sit on this ledge here. With this here, we have to pick off here. The next problem being, when we look at the bitting on any of the keys, let's get a better background. Is that any of these very high set pins are right at the very top edge of the keyway, which is right up there. So when we're working from here, working through that warding, you need a very deep pick, especially at the back. The majority of the locks I've got have got very high pink cut pins at the back and low ones at the front, which I still haven't managed to do. This one I have managed to pick, so I thought I'd get it on camera. And I'm probably going to work my way through the rest of them somehow, when I can find a pick that could reach those pins at the back. As you can see, it's all working, all locked up. So if you give me a minute, I'll put it in the vise and we'll have a go at it. So here we are, ready to go. Because of this warding and the way the pins are, I'm using two hooks, two different picks on this. First one is Sparrow's SS Dev, which, because these front pins are high set, will actually reach up inside that warding. But only 1 and 2. It's just 2. Oh, I just squeezed it onto 3 there. But that is as far as it will go. Then now onto a Peterson number 7 hook, which, because the rear pins on this one are low set, will actually reach up far enough through the warding to set them. There we go. So let's get this out of the vise. Grab the pinning tray and let's have a look, see what this has got inside it. I've not actually opened this one before. Right. That's it. Just want to be careful not to relock it. Lift this up a touch. There we go. Nasty circlip on it. Is wrapped around the whole lock. I'll get in there with that. There we go. That's got that. Right, let's grab a pick. Out it comes. Let's see what we've got in here. Number 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 standard, 4 and 5. And let's see how we do getting these out. Oh, we've got the there we go. Right, that was number 5, which is a standard. 4 is a spool, but it is a very shallow spool. Yeah. Didn't actually even feel like spools in there, but that's not very deeply cut at all. And another spool. And we've got 2. Here's another spool. And 1 is a standard. Springs, all standard. So there we go. Nothing really on there. So actually fairly standard. Nothing special really apart from the warding on the keyway. So there's the pins. And the springs there are all standard. And just one final look at that. Nasty warding. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.